My name is Vijay Mahajan. My college ID is 200133 and my Coventry ID is 10746633. Let's talk about my project in brief. First of all, upon the UI interface. Today, people have lot of work to do. They really don't have time for secondary work. So I decide to repair a computer or laptop at home, which save time for people. And in case laptop cannot be repaired at home, then our technician will take the laptop repair and then back the laptop to the customer house. So go to the go my UI interface. You can see the open the my UI and home page, our service and contact page. In the login sections and register sections, admin will make has username and password already. He will also make register of technician and only customer have to register and do login by themselves to use our service for future too. Whenever customer have a problem in the laptop, they can simply visit my website and can make appointment for technician by clicking make appointment. When customer click the appointment, one form will be appeared. They have to fill the form, writing the customer in the message box. And from them and we will get the message SOS technician. The technician will go to the customer and fix the problem. And go to the login form and technician can log in and technician can check the appointment. You can see the appointment informations and clicking appointment and you can see the into laptop image for Ajay Kable, and just before we can see payment related informations. And submit and successfully repair and payment, and go to the locker and log in the admin section. And we can find the fixed section. First section is profile. We can also edit the profiles we can change the address in Chiton, save our profile, successful upgrade, and log out, login. We can see the change the address in Chiton, and where here we can edit our profile column in technicians, customers, customers, and all. Second is technician informations, where admin get the informations all technicians, and also edit and delete. Edit also change the technician informations. Examples, we can mistake the females, change female and save, and see the technicians, we can change the female. And third is customer information, where I can go all the informations and address other related thing of customer. Four is appointment informations, where I can get all appointment informations for expected technician. Fifth is report informations, and also can delete the data. You can see the delete the informations. And well, admin can know all informations related to repairing and repairing method. Last part of register, where admin can restore the technicians. And restore the, and also can restore and technician information. You can refresh, go to technician information, and you can see the technician information the here. And my coverage, my backend testing for backend to information the first I wait for their show the testing informations, and my link for backend and frontend to link. There are link for there frontend open, sorry for that, and open my backend and go to index. They can use for course to link the appointment and frontend and backend link their cars. And open the terminal, and there are total of testings. Wait for 1-2 minutes. can see my coverage of page. Thank you for watching video.